Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about some important MCQs of UGC NET June 2013 NET Philosophy Paper 2. And this is second part of this paper. Today we will start from question number 16. The kind of conjecture used by Descartes to doubt every proposition that he possibly could are. Here conjecture means inference. Which kind of conjecture used Descartes to doubt every proposition? Options are dream conjecture and God, evil demon conjecture and Holy Ghost, dream conjecture and evil demon conjecture, and last is God and Holy Ghost conjecture. What is the right answer? Right answer option C, dream conjecture and evil demon conjecture. By using these two conjecture, Descartes doubt every proposition. Next question. Question number 17. Following is the correct sequence of Ashtanga Yoga. Ashtanga Yoga. What is the correct sequence of Ashtanga Yoga? What will be the right answer? There are total 8 kinds of yoga according to Patanjali Yoga. So, what is the right sequence of this yoga? Option B is the right answer. Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan and Samadhi. Next question. Which scriptural book discuss the ideas of karma, akarma and vikarma? Options are Manusmriti, Srimad Vishnu Puran, Bhagavad Gita or Sri Narad Puran. Option C, Bhagavad Gita. Question number 19. According to Spinoza, God is only transcendent, only immanent, both immanent and transcendent, or non-existent. Right answer is option C, both immanent. Immanent means pervaded, and transcendent. We all know that Spinoza was a pantheist, means he believed God in everywhere. All is God and God is all, according to him. So let's see. Next question. Select the correct pair. Options are Adhyas, Adhyabhasa, Avidya, Paravidya, Mulavidya, Tulavidya, or Maya and Sanskar. Right answer option C. Option C is the correct pair, Mulavidya and Tulavidya. According to Advaita Shankar, Avidya, Tulavidya means Avidya which exists in Jiv, and Mulavidya means Maya Shakti of God. Mulavidya means Maya Shakti of God, and Tulavidya means Avidya which exists in Jiv. Question number 21. According to pragmatists like C.S. Byers, William James and John Dewey, they are pragmatists. According to them, truth is option A, ever changing, it is relative to a time and place and purpose. Option B, fixed and is relative to a time and place and purpose. Option C, ever changing but is not relative to a time and place and purpose. Option D, sometimes changing and sometimes fixed. What will be the right answer? Option A means ever changing. It is relative to a time and place and purpose. Truth always changes. Truth is not fixed according to pragmatist. It depends on, truth depends on time, place and purpose. Truth always changes and truth depends on time, place and purpose. Next question. Which one of the following is not a part of Gunastaka? Options are Aishwarya, Tej, Ovihita Kalpata and option D, Vidya. What will be the right answer? Option C, Ovihita Kalpata. So Gunastaka means Aishwarya, Tej and Vidya, not Avihita Kalpata. Next question. Who among the following propounded the concept of subject as freedom? Subject as freedom. K.C. Bhattacharya, M.N. Roy, A.K. Kumarasamy and S. Radhakrishnan. Subject as freedom. Option A, K.C. Bhattacharya. Question number 24. For Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, intellectual knowledge is realized by options are imagination and sensation, analysis and synthesis, synthesis and abstraction, or imagination and abstraction. Right answer is option B, analysis and synthesis. For Dr. Radhakrishnan, intellectual knowledge is realized by analysis and synthesis. Next question. The idea of supermind is connected with the philosophy of Dr. Radhakrishnan, Dr. T.M.P. Mahadevan, Sri Aurobindo, or Dr. K.C. Bhattacharya. Right answer, option C, Sri Aurobindo. Sri Aurobindo says about mind, supermind, higher mind, etc. Who is the author of book Commentaries on Living? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sri J. Krishnamurti, M.N. Roy, Sri K.C. Bhattacharya. Commentaries on Living. Right answer is option B, Sri J. Krishnamurti. Who amongst the following is considered as pioneering in establishing the Ramakrishnan Math and Mission? Sri Ramakrishna Paramhamsa, Sri Ramana Maharshi, Swami Vivekanand, or Sri Ranganathanand Maharaj? Right answer, we all know that option C, Swami Vivekanand. Pioneering means guiding. Who guided Ramakrishna Math and Mission? Swami Vivekanand. Next question. The term philosophy means need not to say that. The term philosophy means love for God, love for human being, love of life, or love for knowledge. This is very common question. Option D is the right answer, love for knowledge. Philosophy means love for knowledge. Next question. Both Plato and Aristotle believed that knowledge must be of matter and not form, both of matter and form, neither of matter nor of form and not matter. Knowledge is option D, of form and not matter. According to Plato and Aristotle, knowledge must be of form but not matter. Question. It is possible for two monads to have all qualities in common. Is it real, or probably, or in some exceptional case? Or option D is no. What will be the right answer? Option D, no. It is not possible for two monads to have all qualities in common. Next question. One of the permanent legacies of Platonism to Aristotle. Options are cosmological point of view, teleological point of view, heuristic point of view, or informal point of view. Right answer, option B, teleological point of view. Permanent legacies of Platonism to Aristotle. Teleological point of view, according to teleology, they try to establish a concept of final cause. This may be God or something else, and they try to prove this final cause. Next question. According to Aristotle, God is option A, unmoved, eternal, perfect. God is unmoved mover. God is eternal, perfect, incorporeal, and pure actuality. Next question. The ontological proof for the existence of God is propounded by. Ontology means theoretical proof. They give theory for proving the existence of God. Saint Anselm and Ramanuj, Saint Thomas Aquinas and Madhav, Saint Thomas Aquinas and Patanjali, Saint Anselm and Patanjali. Right answer, option D, Saint Anselm and Patanjali. One is Western philosopher, one is Indian philosopher. Both gave ontological proof for the existence of God. Next question. According to Berkeley, ideas but not the minds exist. Means ideas exist but not the minds exist. Mind but not the ideas exist. Both ideas and the mind exist. Neither ideas nor the minds exist, according to Berkeley. Option C, both ideas and the minds exist. Rational basis of induction was challenged by. Rational basis of induction. Descartes, Plato, Kant, Hume. Rational basis of induction means problem of induction. Who said about problem of induction? Right answer. What will be the right answer? Option D, Hume. Next question. According to Leibniz, there are 4 kinds of moods, 3 kinds of, 2 kinds of, or 5 kinds of mood. This question is wrong. because Leibniz said about monads, not moods. So according to him, there are four kinds of monad. Four kinds of monads are sleeping monad, soul monad, self consciousness or rational soul, and last is highest kind of monad. Next question. According to Hegel, reason is the substance of the universe but not its infinite energy, the infinite energy of the universe but not its substance, the finite energy of the universe alone, or last is the substance and infinite energy of the universe. According to Hegel, reason is option D, the substance and infinite energy of the universe. Reason is infinite energy of universe and reason is a substance, drabha. Next question. Locke suggests that the idea of substance is the idea of what substance is simple idea, complex, particular, or none of the above. Option B, complex idea. Idea of substance is a complex idea according to Locke. According to Kant, moral duty is command of God, imperative of pure reason, determined by majority or given by one's intuition. According to Kant, moral duty is option B is the right answer, imperative of pure reason. Moral duty means pure reason. Next question. Question number 40. Which one of the following upholds that society must not exist for society's sake, but for a type of being who is able to raise himself to its higher task and to a higher state of being? Hegel, Nietzsche, Sri Aurobindo, or Marx? Option B, Nietzsche. Option B, Nietzsche. Next question. Russell's atomic facts are facts of atomic physics, sense data, facts of logical space, or elements of atomic propositions. Russell's atomic facts, sense data. Atomic facts, according to Russell, atomic facts are sense data. Next question. Husserl supports absolute idealism, absolute empiricism, transcendental idealism, or transcendental rationalism. Husserl supports option C. Right answer option C, transcendental idealism. Husserl supports transcendental idealism. Question number 43. Heidegger characterized Dasein in terms of effective isolation of being, being in itself, effective relationship with surrounding people and objects, or being for itself. Dasein in terms of, according to Heidegger, effective relationship with surrounding people and object. Next, it's a matching. Ghost in the Machine, J.E. Moore. Elimination of Metaphysics, Austin. What is the correct answer? Option D. Option D is the correct answer. Ghost in the Machine, Gilbert Ryle. Elimination of Metaphysics, A.J. Ayer. Defense of Common Sense, J.E. Moore. Common Sense means J.E. Moore. Speech Act, Austin. Question number 45. Again, it's a matching. What is the right answer? Option B is the right answer. Plato, Republic. Kant, Critique of Pure Reason, Wittgenstein. Philosophical Investigation, and Ayer, Foundation of Empirical. Next question. Matching between books and authors. Right answer is option D. Religion of Man, Rabindranath Tagore. Freedom from Known, J. Krishnamurti. Eastern Religion and Western Thought, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. The Life Divine, Sri Aurobindo. Dibba Jiban. Question number 47. Leibniz defines monads as physical object, mental object, centers of force or energy, none of the above. Centers of force or energy. Monads are center of force or energy. Next question. Which pair correctly match the following? The cause of Neo-Buddhist thought in India, in contemporary times, new Buddhist thought in India. By whom the new Buddhist thought emerged in India in contemporary times? Right answer option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sri D.D. Kosambi, Dr. Rahul Samkrityayana. Question number 49. According to G.E. Moore, whenever there is a conflict between a philosophical doctrine and common sense, it was more likely that. Right answer option B. Option B. The argument has gone astray than that the common sense had done so. Last question of this session and paper also. Question number 50. There is a matching between thinkers and doctrine. Right answer option B. What is the right answer? Option B is the right answer. Means Sri Aurobindo, psychic transformation, Rabindranath Tagore, biological and spiritual aspect of man, physical and spiritual aspect of man, K.C. Bhattacharya, self-evident elaboration of the self-evident, Vivekanand, universal religion. Okay friends, please like, share with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.